presentations as we already decided yesterday, and I have given you few topics. So all of them are ready today. So Lavitra is going to deliver the presentation first. Come on, Lavitra. All the best.
Okay, good evening everyone. So I'll be present. My name is Lavitra. So I'll be giving a presentation on India's physical makeout. So India is positioned between the 8 degree 4 minutes north and 36 degree 6 minutes north latitudes, and 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. The total area of the country is 3.228 million square kilometer, which makes it one of the largest countries in the world. So the layout starts with the northern mountains, which are known as the Himalayas. Himalayas are divided into many mountain ranges, the transcontinental Himalayan ranges, which mainly lie in Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Then it is divided into Himadri range. Himadri range mostly runs through the countries of Nepal and Sikkim. Only the part of the mountain range can only be found in Himachal Pradesh of our country. Then it is divided into Himachal ranges and Shivalik ranges, which are shorter in height than the previous ranges. Then we come over to the northern plains, which stretch from Punjab to Assam. The northern plains were formed due to the depth which happened due to the Indo-Gangetic plain hitting into the Himalayan plains. So that is why the northern plains were formed, and it is riddled with many rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, and other Indus River as well. Then we come over to the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. The Thar Desert is one of the most sparsely populated areas of our nation, which really doesn't give much of an economic output, but then again is home to many ecosystems. Then we come to the peninsular part of the Indian peninsula. So the peninsular part is divided into two plateaus, the Central Highlands and the Malwa Plateau, and the bigger portion, which is the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is bordered by two Ghat ranges, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats is divided into three sub-Ghats, which are the Konkan range and the Konkan range, Malabar range and the Kannada range. Eastern Ghats is divided into two ranges, the Northern Sirkar and the Coromandel Coast. Then we can also find islands which make up the physical geography, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and also the Lakshadweep Island. Andaman and Nicobar is also known for hosting India's one and only volcanoes, which is active in nature. And that pretty much makes up the makeout of the Indian subcontinent. Thank you.
Oh, very